Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I will talk about writing task 2 of IELTS. So in writing task 2, if you are not getting your desired band from a very long time, it may possible that you are using very common words in task 2. Because in writing, you need maturity. Your sentence structure should be very formal, should be very advanced. So to make your sentence structure look mature, more formal, you have to use some advanced level vocabulary. So here are some words which I'm going to share with you guys today. So first word is important. Now important is a very common word. It's not like you can't write this word in your writing task. You can, but make sure this word should not come very oftenly. And if there are some words which are considered to be informal, you're writing those words in your writing task, definitely examiner is going to deduct your bands. So for important, better synonyms could be paramount, essential, significant, vital, necessary, imperative. If you are using important with these words, automatically your sentence structure will look more matured, which will uplift your bands, obviously. Next is help. Help is a word which is used in speaking and it is considered to be highly informal. So please don't use this word in your writing tasks. Rather than using help, you can say assist or support. Increase and decrease both are very commonly used words. Although they are not so informal, but they are overly used words. Every single student in the exam papers they write these words. So rather than using increase, you can say uplift, intensify, stretch, heightened, raise, amplify. And for decrease, you can say lessen, diminish, reduce, shrink. For change, you can say alter, amend, modify. For responsibility. Now, responsibility is a formal word, but it is common. Everybody knows this word. Rather than saying responsibility, you can say onus, which is very uncommon and students use it very rarely. Next, another synonym of responsibility could be accountability that you can also apply in your writing task. Next is control. So, control can be replaced by curb, harness, tackle. If you want to write word improve, better synonyms of improve could be mitigate, ameliorate. For provide, provide means to get something. Get is highly informal, it is used in speaking. You can write cater, you can write assign, facilitate. So these words are very uncommon and it will help you to increase your scores. Next is learn. Learn can be replaced by inculcate, instill, ingrain. For predict, you can write anticipate, forecast, project. On number 12, word is ill effects. So in IELTS writing, there are a lot of essays in which you have to write negative effects, side effects, or negative sides of something. So when you are writing that paragraph, if the word negative is coming again and again, examiner is going to feel that you don't have enough vocabulary with you, which will affect your overall bands. So please don't write these words again and again. Don't say negative effects or harmful effects. These are very common. You can say ill effects, detrimental effects, adverse effects. Next word is beneficial. Beneficial is not so informal, but useful is very informal word. So please, I always suggest my students not to write this word. This is highly informal, used purely in speaking. Rather than using useful word, you can say fruitful, beneficial, advantageous. See the word advantageous or favorable. These words will add on extra bands in your lexical resources. Next is many. Many is used by many students. So a lot of students don't know that rather than writing this word, there are a lot of other synonyms which can be used. So rather than writing many, you can say various, numerous, innumerable, multiple, plentiful, several. On number 15, word is solutions. In IELTS, we have a separate essay called causes solution or problem solutions essay, in which we write body paragraph 2 purely on solutions, but never write solutions word in your essay because this word is already given in the question. You can replace this word by using remedies, remedial measures, approaches, ways, techniques. So these are better alternatives of the word solution. Then is troubles. For troubles, you can say hurdles, obstacles. For weaknesses or for negatives, you can say pitfalls, loopholes, flaws. For chances, chances means the probability of happening something. You can say tendency. For detect, you can say identify. On number 20th word is strict. Again, when we write solutions in our essays, usually students write that government should formulate strict rules. Children should, schools should have strict rules. Now, strict is again very common word. So don't write this word. You can write stern, stringent. Stern, stringent are more formal, are more matured words, and when you will use these words in your sentence structure, automatically your sentence structure will become very matured. Next is examine. Examine means to analyze something. So, examine is also a word which you can apply in your task, but scrutinize is highly uncommon and is rarely used by students. So, I suggest you guys scrutinize, evaluate, examine. It can be also written once or twice. Then is bring up. You can say rear up, nurture, foster. Next is modern. Modern means up to date, is up to date, it's something very latest. So modern is again very commonly used word, used in speaking more. You can say contemporary, and for traditional or old you can say conventional. Modern, contemporary, and traditional, conventional. So contemporary and conventional, both the words are opposites of each other and they are considered to be formal words. Next is clearly. So better synonyms could be apparently or vividly. 26th word is show. For show you can write illustrate or manifest or exhibit. Next word is cutthroat competition. Now these words, these are basically collocations, but these collocations are not very common. You can say cutthroat competition, you can say sphere competition, cutting edge competition. These words means a very stiff competition between two parties or two companies. In separate video, I will discuss collocations, what are collocations and how they are used. Next word is burden. Now, burden is again common word. You can say brunt, pressure. Next is attract. You can say appeal. Next word on number 30th position is influence. You can say motivate or inspire. Next is gather. Gather means to collect something. You can say accumulate. Accumulate is uncommon and collect is very common. For rubbish, you can replace this word by using litter. Waste is very common, so please don't write it. You can say trash, accumulated waste. Then is involve. Now, involve means to include. Involve and include are used very oftenly, but entail is an uncommon word. Entail is a better synonym of include. Next, evoke. You can say evoke, you can say emerge, both are formal words. Number 35th word is practical. Practical is very common, very informal. Please don't write this word in your writing task. Replace this word by using viable or feasible word. Next is achieve. Achieve means to get something. You can say accomplish. Accept can be replaced by acknowledge. Next is continuously or regularly. Both words are common words. You can use perpetually. All these words are synonyms, but I suggest you to write perpetually. Once you can write continuously, once you can write regularly, but perpetually will add on extra bands to your scores because perpetually is an uncommon word. Next is complex issue. You can say cumbersome issue, which means difficult situation or difficult issue. On 40th number word is task or work. Now task or work again are very common words. Everybody knows what's the meaning of these words. So rather than using these words, I suggest my students to write pursuits. Next words are advantages and disadvantages. In IELTS, we have separate essays on advantages and disadvantages of something. Now these words are again written in the question. So please, I request you guys not to write these words in your essays. If you are copying the same language, the same words which are used in the question again and again, examiner is definitely going to deduct your bands, and it will convey a message to the examiner that you do not have enough vocabulary with you. So replace advantages word by using benefits, positives, merits, and disadvantage word can be replaced by negatives, demerits, or drawbacks. Next word is cruel. Cruel word is used in speaking. If you want to use it in writing, use barbaric, use brutal. These two words also have the same meaning, but cruel is informal and barbaric and brutal are more formal words. Next is difficult. Difficult means hard, hard, difficult are common words. You can say daunting task. Difficult task, daunting task. Dangerous, you can say hazardous. Reveal means to open up, you can say unravel or disclose. Opposite of reveal is conceal. Hide is common, you can say conceal or delimit. Next is destroy. You can say spoil or ruin. Independent is again a common known word by everyone. You can say self-reliant, self-dependent. And last but not the least, if you want to use word rich, maybe rich countries or rich people or rich societies, rich is a very simple word. It is a word which is used by every single child in their tasks, and maybe that is the reason examiner feels that you don't have enough vocabulary. So rather than using this common word, you can say wealthy countries, affluent countries, well-heeled countries, prosperous nations. These words are going to help you to improve your scores, and I guarantee that you will get your desired bands. But it's not like by using these words directly there will be a magic and your bands will uplift. There are certain other things which you need to keep in mind. Your grammar should be accurate, your sentence structures should be correct, you should know how and when to apply collocations. In next video I will discuss collocations with you. Thank you so much, and keep supporting, keep liking my videos. Please share these videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed my channel yet. Thank you so much.